What if neutron stars violently collided extremely near Earth? Guess what? It's a cosmic what-if scenario that's both mind-blowing and utterly chilling. Neutron stars are the universe's densest objects. Just a sugar cube-sized amount weighs about 1 billion tons, roughly Mount Everest's mass. These stars are remnants of supernovae, formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, compressing into a tiny spinning sphere. Imagine a star so incredibly dense that a pinhead of its material would have a gravitational pull stronger than Earth's entire gravity on a small rock. If two neutron stars collided relatively near Earth, gravitational waves would ripple through space-time, detectable millions of light-years away. Such a massive cosmic collision would release an enormous amount of energy, outshining an entire galaxy for a brief, dazzling, spectacular moment suddenly. The aftermath would involve a massive burst of gamma rays, potentially severely damaging Earth's fragile ozone layer if the cosmic collision were close enough. But don't lose sleep. The chances of neutron stars colliding very near Earth are astronomically low, more so than winning a cosmic lottery suddenly. The merging stars could create heavy elements like gold and platinum, scattering them widely into space, potentially enriching nearby star systems. Scientists have detected neutron star mergers through gravitational waves, confirming predictions made precisely by Einstein a century ago recently. These mergers are so incredibly powerful they can create a kilonova, a bright, extremely short-lived explosion outshining even a massive supernova spectacularly. Neutron stars can spin hundreds of times per second rapidly, and when they merge, their spins could create complex, dance-like gravitational patterns. The collision would likely produce a massive black hole, a cosmic sinkhole so incredibly dense not even light can escape its intense gravitational pull suddenly. If a neutron-star merger happened in our galaxy, it would be a once-in-a-lifetime event for astronomers, offering new insights into extreme physics. The energy released from such a cosmic merger is akin to the universe's own spectacular firework, momentarily outshining billions of distant stars brilliantly. Astronomers use advanced detectors like LIGO and Virgo to listen carefully for the gravitational waves from these massive cosmic collisions daily. A nearby neutron star collision could potentially disrupt Earth's complex magnetic field significantly, though the likelihood is infinitesimally small naturally. Neutron stars are like cosmic lighthouses. Their intense beams sweep across vast space, and when they hit Earth, we detect them as pulsars regularly. Some neutron stars are so magnetized they become magnetars, with fields strong enough to strip data from a credit card at a light-year distance. The universe is littered with numerous neutron stars, each a relic from a long-dead star, silently spinning and waiting for a potential massive collision. A collision between two massive neutron stars is a slow-motion event in cosmic terms, taking milliseconds but feeling like a true eternity always. These cosmic events forge the universe's heaviest elements, scattering them across space, making them part of new stars, planets, and maybe even life. The detection of neutron star mergers has opened a new window into understanding the universe's most violent and highly energetic cosmic events. Imagine being able to witness a cosmic event so incredibly powerful, it reshapes our understanding of complex physics and the universe's vast evolution. The merger's dramatic aftermath could leave behind a supramassive neutron star, a short-lived giant behemoth before it collapses into a black hole. Scientists believe neutron star mergers might explain the universe's missing antimatter problem, potentially creating equal parts matter and antimatter. The gravitational waves from a neutron star collision are like a cosmic fingerprint, carrying information about the merging star's masses and spins. As we listen closely to these cosmic events, we're not just hearing the universe's mysterious sounds, we're uncovering its deepest secrets and mysteries. So what if a neutron star collision happened very near Earth? It'd be a cataclysmic event unlike anything we've ever seen, a true cosmic spectacle. Share this with a friend who loves space, because this cosmic what-if is too cool not to spread the word about the universe's most epic collisions.